I picked up some 9mm Luger cases at the range the other day, and I noticed some of them had bulges in them. Right there. And I have another one that's even more bulged. This one is very plain to see. First, I'm going to resize them. The first one is changed. It has this ring around the case above the extractor groove. Didn't have that before. And the second one is changed from the sizing die, but still looks pretty badly deformed. Where this bulge was previously, it's been reduced. Now let's try them in the Wilson cartridge gauge. Well, that one almost makes it if I press it in. That's the first one. And then the second one doesn't make it at all. Even if I press pretty hard, it's not going into the gauge. Now I'm going to bulge bust them, and before I do that I'm going to put some motor oil near on the case just above the extractor groove, just to make it a little easier to go through the die. I'm using the 9mm Makarov Lee factory crimp die. So the first one and then the second one. Now that took some more effort. I'm going to take the lube off the cases. It's motor oil. And try them in the cartridge gauge. That one fits easily. That was the first one. This is the second one, which you can still see a pretty ugly bulge there. And the second one fits. So the sizing die doesn't make them fit, but the 9mm Makarov Lee factory crimp die, when I bulge bust them, the cases do fit.